Hey, what's up everybody? Right now, we're going to be going over some of the best high CPM niches for both outsourceable channels and personal brand channels. If you're unfamiliar with what CPM is, it's how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views that you get on your YouTube video. And obviously, this depends by niche, because some niches are going to have more advertisers spending more money and bidding against those keywords, so therefore you will make more money if you are in certain niches than other niches. That's not to say that you should completely disregard niches based off of what is and what isn't high CPM, but I thought it'd be interesting to include this in the course so you can get an idea for what you want to do. So first of all, we're going to be going over some of the best high CPM niches for outsourceable channels, list channels for example. So one of the best high CPM niches for outsourceable list channels is the movie niche. And I actually also attached some example channels in each of the niches that I'm going to list, and I also did this for the personal brand niches that are coming up as well. But as for high CPM niches for outsourceable channels, the movie niche is a great niche, and the reason this is a high CPM niche is because there's a lot of major movie studios that actually pay to advertise on YouTube. And by making videos like this, you're likely to get one of these major movie studios to actually pay to advertise on your video because it's in the same niche. Now, the next high CPM niche is the tech niche, and I attached a channel right there called Tech Zone, which is a great example of how you should approach the tech niche if you want to make like top 10 tech videos. And the reason this is a high CPM niche is because there's a lot of big tech companies that want to advertise on tech videos because they know the people watching these videos will be the ones interested in most likely buying their products. So the tech niche is a great high CPM niche. Another one is the health and fitness niche, and I attached another channel right there called bodybuilding. And the reason this is a high CPM niche is because there's so many different health and fitness companies out there that want to advertise to people that they know are going to be interested in health and fitness. And who better to do that on than channels that focus solely on health and fitness? So that is a reason that the health and fitness niche is a great high CPM niche. And the final one for outsourceable channels that I have here is the car niche. And as you can see, I attached a channel called Viral Vehicles. You guys can go check them out if you want. But they essentially make videos like the top 10 least expensive, fastest cars for sale today. Videos of that nature. And the reason that this is a high CPM niche is because there's so many car companies that want to advertise to people who they know are going to be interested in cars. And another great thing about all these channels is that they don't make their own content in the sense that they're using other people's content and then hiring a voiceover artist to do a voiceover on top of it. For example, if you're running the Viral Vehicles channel, you don't actually have to even own or even have footage of a Lamborghini to be able to use other people's videos of Lamborghinis as long as you follow the guidelines of fair use. And we'll be getting into that more a little bit later in the course. So those are some of the best high CPM niches for outsourceable channels. And like I said, the reason I'm showing you these high CPM niches is not to influence your decision in choosing a niche. It's simply to give you perspective that some niches are going to be higher CPM than other niches. That's not to say that you can make a lot of money running channels in other niches. For example, if you're running a channel in like the scary or the paranormal niche, you might not make as much money per 1,000 views. But that isn't to say that there are huge channels, for example, Chills and Top 5s, that are making a killing in that niche. I simply want to give you guys this for perspectives. Now we're going to be going over some of the best high CPM niches for brand channels. So the first high CPM niche is the business niche. And I attach my channel again for the business niche because the business niche is high CPM due to the fact that there's so many people that are trying to bid on the keywords of like how to make money online and things of that nature. The business niche is a really good high CPM niche for personal branding channels. And another great high CPM niche is the personal finance niche. And I've attached a guy's channel, Graham Stephen, right here. And one time he even made a video showing how much YouTube pays him, and it is a lot per 1,000 views, as opposed to other channels that don't make anywhere near as much as he does per 1,000 views. And another great high CPM niche for personal brand channels is the travel niche. And the reason that this is a great high CPM niche is because there's so many different travel companies and airlines and hotel companies all wanting to pay to get their ads on travel videos. So this is a great high CPM niche, and I attach an example channel right there called Sam Chewy, who does like airline reviews, aviation reviews, things of that nature. In all of these niches, you can expect to make a lot more money per 1,000 views than you would if you were in, say, a different niche. Now, I only recommend choosing one of these niches if it's also something you have a genuine interest or passion in. I just want to get the gears turning in your head so you can make the most informed decision that you possibly can when it comes to choosing a niche. So I know a lot of you guys are going to be asking, how much can I expect to get paid per 1,000 views? Now, we're going to get into that more later down in the course as well, but just as a general estimate, and always take note that CPMs on YouTube are always changing. They're up and down. And what I'm saying is true currently could not be true 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years later down the line. Generally, in any of these high CPM niches, you can expect CPMs of over $10 per 1,000 views, which means for every 1,000 views you get on your YouTube video, granted that your channel is monetized, you have that over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, granted you have that, every single 1,000 views that you get on your video, you will make around $10 as a general rule. Now, like I said, this is always changing. It might not be true for the time that you're actually watching this video, but as I'm recording this on July 7th, 2019, that is about the general rule that I've seen from my estimates and from doing YouTube for this long. But like I said, don't choose one of these niches if you have no genuine interest or passion in them. And I'm also going to be giving you a list of 100 different profitable YouTube niches to also get those gears turning in your head and hopefully help you make the best decision you possibly can when it comes to choosing a niche. So that is my #1 goal with this course, guys. Thanks for watching this section, and I'll see you in the next video.